Do you want your plants to explode with growth faster than ever before? What if I told you the secret is already in your kitchen, and you're probably throwing it away every day? Today, I'm going to reveal how rice water can turn your weak plants into thick, lush, green machines. Stay with me, because once you understand the truth behind this powerful natural fertilizer, you'll never look at rice water the same way again. Before we go deeper, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how some people grow plants like magic, while others fail again and again no matter what they try? The truth is shocking. It's not about expensive fertilizers or fancy tools. It's about using simple, natural methods the right way. And today, we're exposing one of the most ignored plant boosters out there, rice water. This one simple liquid has changed thousands of gardens, and it can change yours too. Here's the problem most plant lovers face. They spend money on costly soil, branded fertilizers, and chemical boosters. But still, their plants struggle. Leaves turn yellow, growth stops, plants look weak and lifeless, and they keep asking, "What am I doing wrong?" The reality is harsh. Many chemical fertilizers damage the soil over time and burn your wallet. Plus, they can leave harmful residues, especially if you grow food plants. That's where rice water changes everything. It's natural, it's free, and most importantly, it actually works. So what is rice water really? It's the cloudy water left after washing or cooking rice. When you rinse rice, nutrients and starch leak into the water. When you cook it, even more minerals are released. This isn't waste, it's pure plant fuel. Rice water is packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and important micronutrients. It also contains amino acids and vitamins that boost plant growth. In simple words, it's a full natural fertilizer that costs you almost nothing. Now let's break down why this works so well. Plants need three main nutrients to survive: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen makes leaves greener and fuller. Phosphorus builds strong roots and supports flowers. Potassium improves overall strength and protects against disease. Rice water contains all three in balanced amounts. When you give rice water to your plants, you're feeding them a complete diet. The starch inside it also feeds good bacteria in the soil. These microbes help roots absorb nutrients faster. This creates a powerful cycle where plants keep getting stronger, healthier, and faster growing over time. Making rice water is super easy. You have two simple methods. First method, rinsing rice. Take raw rice, add water, and rub it with your fingers. Do this 2 or 3 times until the water turns cloudy. Save that water, that's your fertilizer. Second method, cooking rice. Boil rice normally, then strain out the extra water. This water is even richer in nutrients. Both methods work great. If you cook rice daily, you already have a constant supply. Store it in a cool place and use it within a few days for best results. Using rice water is just as simple. Pour it directly into the soil near the roots. Don't focus on leaves, roots are what matter. Use it like normal watering. For small pots, half a cup is enough. For bigger plants, use 1 to 2 cups. Apply it once a week in growing season like spring and summer. In winter, reduce it to once every 2 weeks. Always water early morning or evening to avoid fast evaporation. If your plant reacts badly, reduce the frequency. Some plants prefer less. The good thing is, rice water is gentle, so it's very hard to harm your plants with it. Now here's the exciting part, what actually happens when you start using it. In the first week, your soil becomes alive. It smells fresh and rich. You may even notice more beneficial insects. After 2 to 3 weeks, plants start changing. Leaves look greener and brighter. New growth appears faster. Stems become thicker. Within a month, the transformation becomes obvious. Plants that were stuck for months suddenly grow fast. Indoor plants push out new leaves regularly. Garden plants become fuller. Flowering plants bloom more. It looks like you used expensive fertilizers, but you didn't. You just used rice water. And it doesn't stop there. Rice water slowly improves soil quality. It increases good microbes, making soil naturally fertile over time. It's 100% organic, perfect for vegetables and herbs. No chemicals, no worries. It's also pH balanced so it won't damage your soil. And the biggest advantage, it's free. If you eat rice, you already have plant food. No need to waste money again. Plus, it works consistently. No sudden drops, no chemical shocks, just steady, natural growth. Now let's level this up with some pro tips. If you leave rice water for 2 to 3 days, it ferments slightly and becomes even stronger. The smell may get stronger, that's normal. Plants love it. You can also boost it further. Add crushed eggshells for calcium. Add a tiny bit of sugar for quick energy. Mix a few drops of plant oil to help absorption. But don't depend only on rice water. Combine it with compost, sunlight, and proper care. Watch your plants closely. If growth becomes too fast or leaves get too dark, reduce usage. Different plants respond differently. Indoor plants like pothos, monstera, and snake plants grow much faster with rice water. Vegetable plants like tomatoes become taller and produce more fruits. Herbs like basil and mint grow bushier and stronger. Flowering plants like marigolds and petunias bloom more often. But for succulents, use it less, maybe once a month. For baby plants, dilute it with water to make it gentle. Always remember, consistency beats quantity. Now be careful with a few things. Never use rice water with salt. Salt damages plants. Don't apply it on already wet soil. Avoid instant rice water, it has fewer nutrients. Don't store it for too long. Fresh is always better. Avoid using it in winter when plants are dormant. And most important, watch your plant. If it shows stress, stop and adjust. Let's quickly understand the science. Rice water feeds good bacteria in the soil. These microbes break down nutrients into forms plants can easily absorb. This process boosts plant growth naturally. It also contains compounds that help plants move nutrients better inside their system. Amino acids help build plant tissues. Vitamins improve plant strength. Silicon strengthens cell walls, making plants more resistant. That's why rice water-fed plants look stronger and healthier overall. Compared to chemical fertilizers, rice water is safer and long-lasting. Chemicals give quick results but damage soil over time. Rice water improves both plant and soil together. Compared to compost, rice water works faster but compost builds long-term health. The best method is using both. Compared to other organic fertilizers, rice water is completely free and easy to use, though others may be stronger. A mix of methods gives the best results. Another powerful advantage is sustainability. You're not wasting anything, you're reusing it. No plastic, no chemicals, no extra cost. It's simple, clean, and smart gardening. You're turning waste into growth. This small habit not only helps your plants but also supports eco-friendly living. Now it's your turn. The next time you cook rice, don't throw the water away. Use it. Start this week. Try it for 4 weeks. Watch your plants closely. The difference will surprise you. Your plants will look healthier, greener, and stronger. If you found this useful, share it with someone who loves plants. Comment below which plant you'll try this on first. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful gardening tips every week. Remember, great gardeners don't rely on luck. They use smart, proven methods. Rice water is one of those secrets used for generations. Now you know it too.